Look, psychosocial risk management is now mandatory for all employees. It became mandatory. We'll look at the legislation in a second, but it became mandatory just over a year ago across all states. Now, this is important because we'll get to why it's important, but it's a significant issue. Psychosocial risk is now treated as part of the OH&S suite of issues. We need to understand what the risks are, how to identify and manage them, how to be proactive, because if a claim comes through, the challenge is you need to be able to defend yourself. And then you've got to learn the strategies that you can implement immediately. You need to become more proactive in this space. We all do. And this is over a year now that we needed to have been operating this way. And you've got to review risk management strategies annually to demonstrate proactive approach. Even more so about positive action direction these days, coming through with some other legislation on sexual harassment and discrimination. Anyway, let's stay on psychosocial risk. Different states started legislating. It was agreed at a national level that there would be state legislation around this. But what I think is driving the legislation around the importance of psychological health or psychosocial risk is that workers' comp exposures in every state were becoming quite, enormously significant. And average work stress claims were about 20 or 30% of the exposure in terms of country state workers' comp bills. So the states agreed at a national level that they would legislate to try and manage that risk more effectively, and that they would add psychosocial risk or psychological health as part of the OH&S rules in terms of business. The other challenge is it's also brought Fair Work into it now.